Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I have explained you till question number 31, and in the meeting today I have discussed that I will be explaining you rest of the questions from the exercise. So I have to start from question number 32. First of all, let me read the question for you. A man travelled 3/5 of his journey by rail, 1/4 of the journey by taxi, 1/8 by a bus, and the remaining 2 kilometers on foot. What is the length of his total journey? So already hint is given in the question. Hint is already provided. Let the length of the total journey be x, right? So 3/5x plus x upon 4 plus x upon 8 plus 2 is equals to x. This is the equation. Now we have to find out the value of x, that is the length of his total journey. So let's get started without wasting time, students. So students, you can see the solution of this question. The LCM of 5, 4 and 8 is 40. So what I have done here, I have taken the LCM. So to make it 40, 5 has to be multiplied by 8. So same goes with the numerator. So 3 में मैंने 8 से multiply किया है. To make it 40, 4 has to be multiplied by 10. That is why in the numerator also I have multiplied by 10. To make 40, 8 has to be multiplied by 5. So in the numerator I have multiplied by 5. So in total 3 8s are 24. So 24x plus 10x plus 5x is 39x upon 40, right? So since it was plus 2 over there, so I have taken LCM. Since 2 is not having any denominator, so it will be 2 upon 1. And to make it 40, 1 has to be multiplied by 40. Same goes with the numerator. So 2 को भी मैंने 40 से multiply किया. So in the numerator now it is 39x plus 80 upon 40 is equals to x. Now this 40 is in division. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will be in multiplication. So it will be 40x. Now 39x plus 80 is equals to 40x. Now plus 39x, once it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 39x. So 40x minus 39x. So the value of x is 80, that is 80 kilometers. So the length of the total journey is 80 kilometers. So I hope you must have understood this question. Moving on to the next question, students. First of all, let me read the question for you. So students, the question is, a laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition that he will receive rupees 120 for each day he works and will be fined rupees 10 for each day he is absent. If he rupees 1880 in all for the many days, for total number of days, how many days he was remain absent, right? इसमें आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये दिया गया है कि एक लेबर को 20 डेज के लिए एंगेज किया गया है और कंडीशन ये है कि इफ़ ही इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन द डे ऑन एवरी डे ही विल रिसीव 120. अगर वो एक भी दिन एब्सेंट होता है तो उसको 10 रुपीज़ का फाइन होगा उस पर चार्ज. एंड ही हैज़ रिसीव्ड 1880 इन टोटल. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट that how many days he was absent. So let's get started without wasting time, students. Students, as you all can see that this is the solution of question number 33. So let the total number of days he worked for be x. यानी कि लेबर ने कितने दिन काम किया, that should be x, and he was absent for will be 20 minus x days. Why it is 20 minus x? If the number of days he was engaged is 10 is instead of 20, अगर 20 की जगह number of days for which he was engaged is 10, then how many days he will be absent? You have to comment down in the comment section, students. Now according to the question, 120x minus within bracket 20 minus x multiplied by 10. Now 120 is multiplied by x because x is the working day, and 10 is multiplied by 20 minus x because this is the fine, and that is why it is subtracted from the total amount. 120x minus 20 minus x within bracket multiplied by 10 is equals to 1880. That is the amount which he has received. Now within bracket minus 20 multiplied by 10 will be minus 200. Now minus minus will be plus. Two negatives will make it positive. So here it is plus 10x. Now 120x plus 10x will be 130x. Now this minus 200, once it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 200, right? So now it will be 130x is equals to 2080. Now the value of x is 2080 upon 130. And once you will simplify, 800 will be cancelled. 13 ones are 13, 7 remainders, 13 6 are 78. So the final answer will be 16 days. I hope you must have understood this question, students. Moving on to the next question of this exercise, that is question number 34. So question number 34 is, Hari Babu left 1/3 of his property to his son, 1/4 to his daughter, and the remainder लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे remaining होना चाहिए, remaining to his wife. If his wife's share is 18,000, what was the worth of his total property? So already hint is provided in the question as it was given in question number 32 that the total property will be rupees x. So x upon 3 is given to son, x upon 4 is given to daughter, 18,000 is given to wife. So already you have the equation. Now you have to find out the value of x. So let's proceed in order to find out the value of x. So students, you can see the solution of the question. Let the total property amount be x. According to the question, x upon 3 was given to son, x upon 4 was given to daughter, and 18,000 was given to his wife. So x upon 3 plus x upon 4 plus 18,000 is equals to x. Now the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So to make it 12, 3 has to be multiplied by 4, and to make it 12, 4 has to be multiplied by 3. So in the numerator it will be 4x plus 3x. Now 18,000 has to be multiplied by 12 because it is not having any denominator. Now 18,000 multiplied by 12 will be 2,16,000. Now 4x plus 3x is 7x. So 7x plus 2,16,000 is equals to 12x. Because 12 was in division, once it was sent to the right hand side, it was in multiplication. Now 12 minus 7 is 5x, and once this 5 will be divided by 2,16,000, the final answer will be 43,200. This is the total property amount because 5 4s are 20, 1 remainder, 5 3s are 15, again 1 remainder, 5 2s are 10, then 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. So this is the solution of the question. And I hope you must have understood this question also. Moving on to the next question, students. So students, the next question is how much pure alcohol must be added to 400 ml of a 15% solution to make its strength 32%. So let's begin to solve this question. यानी कि हमें 400 ml of a 15% solution, एक 15% solution है, उसके 400 ml में हमें कितना अल्कोहल प्योर ऐड करना होगा so that the strength is 32%. So let's solve this question, students. Now students, you can see the solution of the question. So the total quantity of alcohol in 400 milliliter solution. अब 400 milliliter solution में सिर्फ 15% alcohol है, तो वो alcohol कितना है उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे, 15% of 400. So that is 15 upon 100 multiplied by 400. 0 0 will be cancelled. Now 15 4s are 60. That means in 400 milliliter solution, 60 ml is the required quantity of alcohol to make the solution as 15% alcohol. Now according to the question, we have to make the solution quantity 32%. अभी पहले कितनी है, 15% है, but we have to make it 32%. So how will we make it 32%? 60 ml is the alcohol quantity, right? And 400 ml is the total quantity of the solution. So what is to be added in what is to be added in 400 ml solution? What is the quantity of alcohol that is need to be added? हम उसमें कितना ऐड करेंगे जिससे कि वो 32% हो जाए. 32% means it will be 32 upon 100. So 60 is the quantity of alcohol and 400 is the quantity of the solution. So 60 upon 400 में हम लोग x ऐड करेंगे. Because let x be the quantity of the alcohol amount which needs to be added to make the solution 32%. Okay. So now we will do the cross multiplication. After doing the cross multiplication, you all can see that 60 multiplied by 100 will be 6,000 and 100 multiplied by x is 100x. Now 32 multiplied by 400 is 12,800 and 32 multiplied by x is 32x. Now as you all can see that collecting the like terms together, so 1000, yeah, I have written here as 1000x, but it is 100x. So let me rub this. Now can you see that it is 100x minus 32x, collecting the like terms together, and in the right hand side 12,800 minus 6,000.
सो जब आप 12,800 में से 6,000 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे यू विल ऑब्टेन 6,800 एंड 100 minus 32 is 68x. So 68x is equals to 6,800 and once you will divide it by 68, 68 ones are 68 and 0 0. So 68 zeros are 0, 68 zeros are 0. So the quantity of alcohol to make the solution 32% is 100 ml. 100 ml should be added to the solution to make the quantity of alcohol in the solution as 32%. So I hope you must have understood this question also, students. Now only the questions of multiple choice questions are remaining. You have to do it on your own. And if you will be facing any difficulty to solve any question, you can comment down in the comment section. Definitely I will be answering to your comments. In the next class, we will start the new chapter, that is lines and angles. So till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.